Time to put these on the bike. Okay, today I'm going to be adding another camera mount. So instead of using the one that's on the dash there, I'm going to put one right where the brake reservoir is. One of the most quickest and easiest modifications or additions you can make. So let's see how this goes. First of all, we've got to remove the two Allen head bolts that are holding the brake reservoir on. What I'll do one at a time. Now the kit comes with a number of different bolts. Make sure you use the right one for your job. There's the ram mount, spacer. Pretty easy to do, really easy to do. Spacer in there. Hold that in place. Crank it up. Easy as that. No need to over tighten them. All nice and tight. Next is the extension arm. So that's pretty easy. And then we have the camera mount. Notice it's got the normal GoPro type mount there. There we have it. Easy as that. Job done. Won't rattle. Safe as houses. Still get all the controls. Just a different perspective. Any comments? Let me know. Until the next video, this is Kev.